guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my videos for the first time, I like to show you guys what Dollar Tree has to offer, along with some reviews and craft ideas. But I did stop inside Dollar Tree to see what they have for July 2025 and wanted to show you some clips and photos of things you guys will find inside Dollar Tree if you want to make the trip out or you'd rather just wait for the next season. Also, at the end of this walkthrough of Dollar Tree, I do have a shopping haul of everything that I bought for mainly the summer decor and some household items. I did spend about $60, but just keep watching till the end and you will see the shopping haul of everything I got. I can tell that Dollar Tree is slowly transitioning out of the summer holidays, the graduation, the 4th of July, the summer kids play toys and decor, and going into back to school and a holiday season. I did also stop by the beauty aisles and wanted to show you guys what I saw there. It seemed like they had a lot more stuff, new items that I've never seen before, some name brand things that maybe looked different or the packaging looked higher quality. So I did take a peek there, and I do always stock up on the nail polishes that they have. And of course, going back to the holiday aisles, they did have some Halloween and Thanksgiving decor up. There were a few costumes along with pumpkins and misting cauldrons. This really did seem like it was just the stuff from last year in these huge boxes, and they were just putting out what they had. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks we will get the new product in at the stores. Now that you have seen everything that Dollar Tree has, I wanted to show you everything that I bought. I did end up spending about $60 this trip, mostly on summer decor and some household or things that I needed for myself. I do plan on going back in a few weeks once they have all of the Halloween and harvest stuff up to film a longer video, and if they throw Christmas up, I will take some clips of that too. But this is everything that I bought this trip to do some summer decorating along with some summer craft projects for July and August before we get full blown into Halloween and harvest and then Christmas, and then that's the year. It is going by super fast, but I did want to show you everything I got. The first thing is this storage container. It is just a gray 5-gallon storage tub. It was $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. I plan on trying to fit all of my red, white, and blue 4th of July decor in here. So hopefully I'm going to try and be a little bit more organized with my crafting and decor and get them separated in tubs. Next, we will start with everything not summer related, just household stuff and things I needed. First, I saw the pink bottle and it kind of just stuck out to me. It is Power Cleaning Toilet Bowl Cleaner in pink grapefruit scent, and then also a cleaning cream. I wanted to see if it's anything like the Pink Stuff brand. If it comes out pink, I have no idea, but the pink bottle really actually did attract me, and I was like, we always need cleaning products, so I did grab them, and I will see how well they do and if it's worth buying again. I then got the nail polish remover. I got 2 bottles. I do like these bottles and prefer them other than the standard ones that you see, just because of the top. You can easily put your cotton pad or whatever you're using and just push down, and then the product comes right on the cotton pad, as opposed to tipping it. If you know, you know. But I do love these bottles and we'll stock up on them. I then got 2 of their curling creams. One is a frizz-free curl mousse and then a curl stretch cream. This one was $1.25. This one was $3. and I will see how they compare to other products I use and if it was worth it. I haven't seen these there before, but I did want to give them a try and see if it helps or hurts my hair. I did also grab 3 nail polishes while I was there, just 2 purple and a hot pink for summertime. Dollar Tree is usually where I get my nail polishes just because it's easy and cheap, and they do somewhat, this brand for me will last quite a while without any cracking or peeling. I then got 5 storage containers. The things I liked about this storage container is that it is extendable. So depending if you're putting it in a drawer or something else that you need a little bit more room, you can always just extend them and you will get more room, or you can close them to how much you need. But I did think these were cool, and I will use them with organizing my bathroom or my pantry, but I thought they were super handy and I did grab 5 of them. I think that is everything for the random personal items for the house. I did grab some hot glue gun sticks. I always grab them at Dollar Tree. You get 20 in a pack. I then bought some unscented taper candlesticks. I did a project last season, 4th of July, where I tried to do the DIY floating candle and I did fail a little bit, so I wanted to try again. And I always like to have candle wax on hand and by using Dollar Tree products, so I just grabbed some of these candles to melt. I also bought some candlestick holders. 2 of them are the same size. I don't think it tells you how high they actually are. No. And then one of them is just a little bit shorter, but it is for a craft project that I hope to do. And I believe that is it for the more random stuff. And now this is just completely summer stuff, what they had and what I saw and thought I could use. Starting with these 2 pink small little flamingos. That one kind of looked a little weird. I was staring at it for a second. These 2 pink flamingos for decor, along with this pineapple cup that I will probably just take the straw out of and use just as decor on the house. These 2 palm tree balloon weights that I will use as decor, along with 2 wooden signs. This one says Summer Days, and then Hello Summer. I was trying to go for a like flamingo luau type theme this year. We'll see how much I actually use and what sticks. I then got 2 paper lanterns. One of course has flamingos on it, and then the other one is just more beachy. It just says you need 2, it doesn't say what type of battery, it just says LED. But it looks like either 2 AAA batteries for these paper lanterns. We'll see how bright they are and if they actually work. I then got this watermelon and pineapple banner. I believe it is 7 feet. Along with this wall decor of like a beach scene, and it is 42 by 72 inches. I got 3 child-size grass skirts to use in a craft project. Two palm leaf table runners. They are just green felt with palm leaves cut out. They are 3 feet long. I then got 2 flamingos to use as a craft project. I think most people put this outside their house, but for me, it'll be a craft project. And then lastly, I just picked up some lace in different colors for a craft project. This one is blue, and I believe it came with 3 lays. This one is purple, and it came with 3 lays. We have a pink one that came with 3, a green one that came with 3, and an orange one that only came with 1. But I will try and use these colors in a fun craft project. I'm still kind of deciding on what I want to do with them. And I believe that is everything in my Dollar Tree shopping haul. I did spend about $60 just for summer stuff. And then I will try and go back, like I said previously, in a couple weeks once all of their Halloween harvest, and we'll see if they throw Christmas up, and I will do a full Dollar Tree walkthrough of everything that they have on their shelves, showing you all of their decor and their crafting supplies for all the different holidays, along with whatever else they decide to throw up in the Dollar Tree Plus aisles. But that is the end of this video. Like I mentioned, I did spend about $60 this time with all of the summer stuff and personal items. I do plan on going in a couple weeks, and hopefully they have their Thanksgiving and fall stuff, and they might throw Christmas up, just to do a full walkthrough of everything Dollar Tree has for their holiday and seasonal crafts and decor for each holiday. And I do go to a store that has Dollar Tree Plus aisles, which are the aisles that are $3 and $5 items. So if they have anything in those aisles, I will also film that. But I think that ends it for this video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name's Katie. I like to film all things Dollar Tree, anything that is budget friendly. I like to do walkthroughs and reviews and crafts featuring Dollar Tree products. So if you are just seeing my video for the first time, please hit that subscribe button below. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate it so much. And I would love to have more people that just love to craft and go to Dollar Tree and just want ideas. I love to go out and show you guys what maybe you don't want to drive for or you can't drive for. I don't mind taking those clips for you and showing you what's out there. But that is it for this video. I will see you guys next week for probably more Dollar Tree crafts, because now I have to use all this stuff. But I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next week. See ya.